Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate a Truecaller. So once you have installed the app from your Play Store or your Apple App Store, right? You just come here and launch the app, click on Get Started. Okay, you can choose your language here from all of these different languages. I'll stick with English. Just click on Get Started here. And now we need to set Truecaller as our default caller ID in Spam app. So we can toggle this one on and set this as default. Suggest you do that. You can go ahead and check out these permissions we're going to be giving, right? Give it all of these permissions. Click on allow. There we go. Okay, so now we're getting started. So we need to choose an account first to go ahead and use. I will go ahead and use this one right here. Okay, there you go. Continue. And it's currently signing me in. And now I need to choose my country or region. Usually we'll pick it up using our IP address, and now we can enter our phone number to verify. So I'll go ahead and do that. Then just click on verify phone number. Make sure that is your correct phone number, then just go ahead and click on yes. There we go. Click on agree and continue to the terms and services. Now it's basically going to call us to verify our number. So you just want to go ahead and wait this out. Let Truecaller call you. All right, so they managed to call us, and now we are done with that part. So we'll just be continuing. So as long as Truecaller calls you and the app picks up that they have called you, since we did enable all of those permissions, we have basically activated a Truecaller. As you can see, this is an incoming demo call, and you'll see this kind of red caller ID for spam calls, right? You can go through this process if you would like. So just going to reject this call. You can go through this if you want, but basically for now you have activated a Truecaller. Okay, as you can see, really that easy and simple.